Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel where I will be telling you about the few topics which I've been given up. Like today, I will be questioning or I will be answering on how AI versus human intelligence, who will lead the future of work. This is not just a tech debate, it's about how our careers, skills, and workplace are evolving. Let's break it down step by step, right? Artificial intelligence or AI, what it is. It is basically machines that can learn from data, recognize patterns, and make predictions. Think of chatbots, recommendation systems, or even self driving cars. Example Tesla. They process information faster than we ever could. Human intelligence, on the other hand, is our natural ability to think creatively, adapt to new situations, use emotions, and apply ethics. It's what allows us to innovate, empathize, and make decisions in complex, uncertain environments. When we go on comparison on key parameters like some speed, creativity, emotional intelligence, decision making, and many more. For considering speed, AI is unmatched. It can analyze millions of data points in seconds, while on the other hand, humans would take weeks or months. Creativity, for taking the next parameter, humans still lead here. AI can remix existing ideas, but true originality, like inventing something new or telling a powerful story, comes from us. The third parameter which I will be considering here is emotional intelligence. This is uniquely human, building trust, motivating teams, and understanding feelings are things AI cannot replicate. Then, moving ahead, we'll go with decision making. AI supports us with data driven insight, but human bring judgment, context, and values. For example, AI can suggest the most profitable option, but humans decide whether it's ethical or socially responsible. Ethics. Here comes the last point, which is the major comparison part. Machines don't have morals. They follow instructions. Ethical responsibilities lies within humans, which make our role irreplaceable. You might have watched the movie Robot, like of Rajnikant, right? Same, the ethics part, the thing which he was told to do, he was doing that part. See, now coming to the analysis part. Now, will AI replace us? That is not true, or that is not entirely complete the wrong statement. What happening today is now information transformation. Routine, repetitive tasks like data entry or scheduling are being automated. But what for jobs? Jobs that require creativity, empathy, and leadership will still rely on humans. So the future is about collaboration. AI will complement us or it will help us by handling the heavy lifting of data and automation, while humans focus on strategy, innovation, and relationships. Together, we'll create a workplace that's faster, smarter, and more human centered. You have heard it correct. Together, we'll create a workplace that's faster, smarter, and more human centered. So, who is the future of work now? I believe it's partnership. AI brings speed and efficiency, humans bring creativity and values. But for us students, what it is, the takeaway is clear. We need to prepare for an AI driven workplace by building digital skills, learning how to use AI tools at the same time strengthening our human skills like communication, problem solving, and ethical decision making. That the combination will make us future ready leaders. To wrap it up, AI is not the enemy, it's a powerful ally. The future belongs to those who can balance technology with humanity. And if we prepare well, we won't just adapt the AI driven workplace, we'll had it. Thank you for coming to this channel. Subscribe it and follow it. Thank you.